Hello and welcome to the Agent Survival Guide podcast. This is our series, Agent Apps. I'm your host, Tina Lamoureux. This series introduces you to apps that will make daily life and your business run smoother. From fitness, travel, to personal planners, and more, we've tested them all. This week's apps are apps that teach you how to cook. I've talked about my passion for cooking on the show before. I started cooking and baking when I was very little. So little I needed a step stool to reach the counter. But not everyone's story is the same. There are a lot of people new to cooking and eager to learn. Just like any hobby, it's never too late to start. So here are 2 apps that will help you improve your home chef skills. The first app I have is called Side Chef. This app focuses on reusing ingredients, saving time, and assisting you in the kitchen. One of my pet peeves is buying an ingredient in bulk when I only need a small portion for a recipe. Like an entire bag of lemons when I only need 1 or 2 for a recipe. Side Chef offers a lot of customization. When it comes to food preferences and allergies, you can set what food groups and ingredients you want to exclude from the suggested recipes. Or choose a specific diet like vegan, keto, paleo, and more. You can also select how many servings you want to cook for. A neat feature is if you have any smart kitchen appliances, you can connect certain brands to the app. I mentioned earlier that these apps will help you improve your cooking skills. In the app preferences of Side Chef, you can choose your goal, options like eating healthy or learn to cook, among others. You can add meals to a meal planner calendar. There is a section of Side Chef called My Pantry, where you add all the ingredients you already have, and it will generate recipe ideas. The same goes for your cart. When you add ingredients, it will suggest recipes. Or you can search for recipes, and it will add the ingredients to your cart. The app will also suggest recipes that have a lot of the same ingredients as those on your list, helping to cut down on food waste and stay within your budget. You can order pickup or delivery from Walmart and other stores in your area. Side Chef has a limited number of stores connected with the app. If they don't have the one you want, you can simply use the cart like your regular shopping list. Each recipe gives you estimated prep and cook times, price per serving, and the nutritional facts per serving. I really liked this aspect. It's great for those who need to monitor certain health factors, like sodium or cholesterol. Side Chef has the option to hear the recipe read out loud step by step. All you need to do is swipe to hear the next step. The app is free to use. There are a few pop-up advertisements, but they are minimal. Users can also rate and review each recipe. All the features previously mentioned are available on the free version. There is a premium version with on-demand cooking classes, cooking tutorials, and more recipes. Side Chef is available for free download on iOS and Android. Now, this next one definitely focuses on the educational part of cooking. It's called Kitchen Stories. The recipes on Kitchen Stories break down each step into a lot more detail. At the beginning of a recipe, the app gives you ingredients, utensils needed, nutrition facts, and detailed instructions of each step. One thing that I really enjoyed was the cooking skills tutorial videos suggested with the recipe. I was eyeing the recipe for carrot miso soup, and the recipe called for fresh ginger. To a seasoned cook, they will most likely know how to peel and prepare fresh ginger. But for new chefs, that might seem daunting. I've been cooking with fresh ginger for years. I was even peeling it incorrectly. The recipe had a video tutorial of how to peel ginger root and other cooking skills like how to properly dice an onion. Users can rate and leave reviews of recipes on the app. With the free version of Kitchen Stories, you can browse, search, and save recipes on the app. The Plus version of Kitchen Stories, which has a 14-day free trial, features the ability to save recipes by ingredient, save your favorite ingredients, save recipes from the web, and help support the chefs and creators of the app. Kitchen Stories is available for free download on iOS, Android, and on web browser. I hope these apps give you confidence in the kitchen. Thank you so much for listening. We will see you next episode. The Agent Survival Guide podcast is a production of Ritter Insurance Marketing, an integrity company. This episode was written and produced by me, Tina Lamoureux. Script editing by Sarah Ruppel. Designed by Urban Rivera. Artwork by Vivian Zhao. Rate and review the show on Apple or Spotify.